I need to find out if Dumaguete is bringing it when it comes to the food. Oh my gosh.
Did I just find the best burger spot here in Dumaguete? I don't know. I'm gonna let the taste buds be the answer to this. Right now, I am at a spot called
Zeus Burger House. And it smells good up there. It smells good up there, bro. I need to see what they talking about. We ordered a double kill burger, sour cream french fries, mixed shrimp with corn, enough for 4. A tropical burger, chicken trace burger, loaded beef burger, McNachos, potato wedges and drinks, and their new item on the menu, the loaded Philly burger, which was definitely my favorite. You guys, this collaboration, look at that burger. That's the loaded Philly. The wedges and gravy reminded me of America. I knew we found the place. Oh my gosh.
Holy moly.
There was a pineapple and bacon burger that blew my mind. Dumaguete has been boring, but the food has been great. Look at me sucking on that corn. It was that good. I love how polite the staff is and how seasoned the food was. Mama took her time with this.
This is the chicken mini tres.
Chicken mini tres. Golly. I'm telling y'all, you better pull up. We were so happy to eat here. I'm glad I found them on Grab. The Zeus Burger team, you guys are verified. Mukbang coming soon.